Heat number 2 of 6, ladies and gentlemen, here they go. We have 3 competitors in this event. Jay Noel, Shania Smith, Sierra Roll. As they're all going down the back stretch there, Speed Dynamics for these stallions. Fast Forward, Sun Blazers. They're pedaling down the back stretch there, ladies and gentlemen. Under 17 girls, heat number 2. Shania, Sierra, Jana, and Ashley. There she comes around, ladies and gentlemen. That appears to be 4D Stallions. Is that Shania Smith entering the straightaway? All down the straightaway, ladies and gentlemen. 4D Stallions. That is Shania Smith all down the straightaway. All down the straightaway. Sierra Rule. But finishing heat number 2, ladies and gentlemen, is all lane number 4. 4D Stallions, Shania Smith. Here comes the rest of the pack. Speed Dynamics, Jay Noel. As she's crossing the line. Speed Dynamics. Followed closely by Sierra Roll.